Those are the tadpoles. Do you see them?
Hi, this is Rocco's Toy Box here. Today, why we have fish food.
We have fish food because I'm going to show you. What are we going to look at today? Come on, what are they called?
Tadpoles.
Tadpoles. And what are tadpoles?
Baby frogs.
Baby frogs.
We're going to show you what they look like.
No. All right, see, this is a fountain. See? And the water comes out. And the frog, what it did was it jumped in the water and had laid its eggs. And then the eggs hatched. And I want you to look in there. What we're going to do is we're going to put a little fish food, because fish, they are kind of like fish now. They're amphibians. That's a big word. Can you say amphibians?
No?
Try it.
Amphibians.
Right. Okay. If you take a little fish food, there's the fish food. Take a little in your hand, a little pinch, and put it into the water. Now, they're very little. Let's put a little more. And let's watch until they come up. And when they come up, you tell me if you see any. See, I put this board here because when they grow legs, they have to be able to jump out of the water. So I gave them that little kind of ramp. And over there, I put a little grid there so they can grab on. But they're going to come up when they realize, hey, is there food? Do you see any of them yet?
Where are those things swimming?
Those are the tadpoles. Do you see them?
When are they going to jump up?
They're going to come up and they're going to come to eat the food. And you can see they have long tails, right? But their tails actually fall off and they just have a little kind of tail looking thing, but they grow legs. Can you see them?
Yeah. When are they going to hop up?
Well, they have to grow legs. Some of them are bigger than others. And they come up and eat the food. Do you see them?
Yeah, are they popping up?
Yeah. What do you think they're going to do when they grow legs? You think they'll jump right up?
Yeah.
See that? And we like frogs. How come we like frogs?
Yeah.
Because they eat all the bugs.
Awesome.
Well, a lot of them. They eat a lot of mosquitoes. Do you see them eating? Do you see them eating the fish food? They're saying, oh, thank you, thank you.
Look at that guy.
Yeah, he's pretty big.
He's hanging up to the fish food.
Right.
Why do he like that?
Oh, well, he's hungry. Look how many there are of them. There sure are a lot, right? Look over here on this side. Whoa, it's a feeding frenzy. All right, frogs, you keep growing your legs. Oh,
How
see?
little they are.
Yeah, they're really little, and then they get really big, and then they hop out, but they're very cute. We'll try to make your next video when they hop out. See you later, Froggy Woggies. Hey, Rocco. There's a big frog right there. Ha ha. I just fooled you. See him?